In this video, I am going to show you how to share a presentation on Microsoft Teams. In your Teams meeting, click on the Share button, usually represented by an icon resembling an upward arrow or screen. Under the PowerPoint Live section, you will see a list of your recent PowerPoint files. Select the file you wish to present. If your desired file isn't listed, click on Browse on OneDrive if your file is stored in OneDrive, or choose Browse My Computer to select a file stored locally on your device. Also, you can present directly from the PowerPoint. Enter your PowerPoint file, navigate to the PowerPoint, and you will see Present in Teams button, which might be in the top right corner of your slides. Clicking this button will link your PowerPoint presentation directly into the Teams meeting you're currently in. And that's it, guys. Once you've started presentation through PowerPoint Live in Teams, your slides will be displayed within the Teams meeting environment. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.